What's up, guys? It's we're doing a desk build, and this is what we're gonna be building. It's on my phone. I'm a visual guy, so if I see something, I ask him send me a picture, and I'll try to mimic it. That has metal legs, but we're gonna be doing wood legs at 30 inches. That's what we're cutting right now, 30-inch legs. So the frame is going to be 47.5 inches. So what I got going on is I got the legs, which are two 2x4s sandwiched together, and I ripped them down to 3 inches. So it's 3 inches by 3 inches, and I'm going to be cutting rabbets 3/4 on two sides of the legs. I got 45s. I'm going to be cutting rabbets on these into the rabbets. So I'll cut these 3/4 in, notch it out. I'll cut this 3/4 in, notch it out to where this sits past. Just past this. And I got the idea from, I forget his name. I'll look up his name real quick and I'll show you. Oh shoot. And so yeah, that's it. That's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be cutting the notches out. I got a stop block right here. My stop block. So I got my line lined up here on my cross sled. I'll be notching this out. Not that high though. I'm gonna bring it down to 3/4. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, and hopefully we'll get the desk together today. Alright guys, so I found it. It's Nick Ferry. I watched his video, and it's kind of gave me an idea to do my bench.
Just make sure everything kind of
my desk.
That's
this is kind of what
it should look like.
It
should kind of come even to the edge and have a 45-degree miter where the other piece mates up with it.
So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing here. So I'm about to cut this out, notch this out. I'm going to get this to 3/4. Then we'll get to building. See how it goes. Actually, I'm just going to show you guys how to, if you don't know how to clean this up. I got my stop block, so that's going to stop me from going too far. So I'm going to slide it across the blade and see how it is now. this will sit just like this. Then this is gonna have a lap joint. And it'll sit right here, and that is for the tabletop. It's 5/8. So I measured this 3 inches down, or 3.5, and took 5/8 off, and got that. So now we're gonna finish the legs and get those done. I'm just gonna get all 4 of the legs cut. Put you on the time lapse real quick. Alrighty. Alrighty, this is how it's gonna go. These are the 2 fronts, these are the 2 backs, these are the 2 sides, these are the 2 sides. So each one will receive 2x4 with the rabbit on the side at 3/4 with the 45 ending at each corner. So we're gonna get to the rails, the frame of it right here. I got them all cut. These ones are 24 and 1/8. These are 41, I believe. It's just referenced off of that. This right here, it's 5/8. Using that as a tabletop. And so that's what we're gonna do. Getting these 2x4 with their rabbits on them. So I'm gonna go over to the table saw and do what I did with the legs for the bench. Just gonna cut it right here, just get all that out of there so it'll go together. So see you there. Okay, that's a lot of boring cut, so I'm gonna time lapse you for 20 seconds or so. Alrighty guys, so had a little mix up. I cut the sides according to just pretty much lining them up, and what I came out with wasn't the right angle. I missed something, because see, it sticks over and it needs to be right there. See that big old gap? So I'm gonna have to cut 2 new ones of these. So this is what it turned out to be. I forgot to take the camera off, but I got it all assembled. That's the tabletop. I just dry fitting it. See the corners. Just gonna be sitting. The tabletop's gonna be sitting right on top. These just sit right in, just like this. Bam. So I'll probably put some dowels in there. Might do that now. Throw some dowels in there. So right now I got it set up. I got the back. Just gluing it together. I got a couple square pieces on there to keep it at a 90 degree. And I'm gonna put a couple dowels in there. These are 3/8 dowels. Probably a little overkill, but I think it'll do good. And you gotta account for the dowel or the other side going in too. So you gotta put these ones in right here. And the leg or the part going this way, you gotta make sure you don't run into those dowels. So you gotta watch out for them. There we go. Alrighty guys, so this is the table. This is what the final product. I got, my camera kept dying and I needed to get this done. So I tried doing a dark walnut on the 2x4s, but it didn't come out and it just looked really crazy. It just looked like I didn't know what I was doing. So I painted it all black with a black stain, or it's like a, I don't know what it's called, but here it is right here. Right? Yeah, I think that's it. So that's what I used for it, gloss black. And oh, that's not a poly or Rust-Oleum. There it is. Okay, so what I did was, so a recap on all of it. All these, the frame is all half lapped, and these legs are notched out, so these can sit at a 45-degree angle. And yeah, so I put a couple dowels in there just to hold it, which probably didn't do much, but I put screws in there. Then these right here use pocket holes, one on that side, one on this side. Then I put this little shelf thing in with pocket holes. See that side. Then tabletop, did all pocket holes all the way around. And right here I just went through it, so you can kind of see the color right there. I stained it before, then I just kind of gave up and said I'm gonna just paint it all black. So that's it. I was gonna do something for the legs, maybe round them off, or I don't know. I kind of just wanted to get this done. Tabletop, I did a clear coat. I did the right here. No, not that one. Fast drying polyurethane, clear glass. Put a coat on the whole thing. Might do a little light sanding and do another coat. That's it. Here's from far back. It's for a teenager. School desk. That's it. So I will be more involved on YouTube, posting more videos hopefully soon. I'm in the garage every day. I just don't have time to edit and do all that. If you guys have any tips, let me know. Any faster, if I did anything wrong, please don't be afraid to comment. I'm here to learn. I want to learn. Thank you guys for watching.